Oh, yeah, I know what you're thinking. I know what you're...
We're wearing the same thing again.
Why are they wearing the same clothes? Why are they eating the same... What is this thing called?
Food. So today we're making a new Hypebeast room video, I guess. And this is the new thing he got in the mail. So we're gonna unbox it for you. And then we're gonna put it up, I guess.
Roll the intro. Roll the intro!
Roll that mother. Stop swearing. Roll that movie.
Is it too much to ask for?
Okay, so a while back I did a Supreme haul, and one of the things I got was a Supreme deck. And so for building my Hypebeast room part 3, we're going to be hanging this up. Damn it, I left the mounts in the room. When we head into the room to set it up, I'll show you the mounts that I ordered off of Amazon. I'm not going to link it below because you just search up skateboard wall mount and like hundreds will pop up and just go find like the cheapest one. That's what I did. So we're going to be hanging that up. And I also got this package in the mail. I'm going to open that. Yeah, open it. So I'm really curious to see how these come out. So you know the clear drop front container shoe boxes? I know Crep Protect makes them. A lot of people tell you to just go to the container store and buy them from there. So the drop front shoe containers are like an essential for a sneakerhead Hypebeast room. Now, I ordered these from an Instagram ad. And you already know how Instagram ads turn out. Why do they look so flimsy? Damn. Well, they're supposed to be 6 and it looks like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Perfect. They look like they're made of just plastic and they're not gonna be good at all. This is what I get. The reason I picked these up off of the Instagram ad is because I forget how much they are from Crep in the container store, but they're not cheap. You can't get very much for a good price. And these were only like 30 bucks for 6 of them, so that's why I picked them up. So let's see what $30 from my Instagram ad can get you. Like, this is what I'm talking about. This is supposed to be the walls of it, I guess. Is there instructions? Did you even look? I don't think it comes with instructions, so we're just gonna...
We're gonna eat it.
We'll just figure it out. Alright, so this... This is really hard to put together.
If you guys know how to put together, comment down below.
Right, because I'm gonna see those before I finish putting this one together. Oh, I got it! Alright, so that's what the back looks like. I think that's the back. So this goes in like... Perfect, I can't be on forever. Can you get copyright for singing a song?
Want you to be mine.
Hey! Kinda sick. Hey, I got one. Alright. So here's the first one that I managed to put together. It's not terrible. I don't have any shoes out here to even see if the shoes fit in there, but... So that's what it is. The drop front. Stick your shoes in there. Close it up. So we're gonna put the rest of these together. And then we're gonna head in, set it up someplace, and then we're gonna hang up the skateboard. So, meet you in the room. For the deck. Oh, alright, so about the deck. So this right here is the mounts. So these go into the deck itself, and then this side goes into the wall. So I picked these up off Amazon. I opened this one, didn't open this one yet.
Still dead stock. I feel like so.
So we're gonna use these to hang those up. So it turns out these aren't that bad. I thought they were gonna be really bad, but they have like these flaps and stuff, so they all connect. You can attach them, so I attached them here for the 2x3. So 6 bins total. The doors tend to just fall open like that, but you know, Broke Boy Project means we do things for cheap, so this is the cheapest route that you can go to get drop front containers. So if you're interested in doing it for cheap, they're not terrible. They're not terrible. Hold these. Thanks. Let's get these boxes over here. Alright, perfect. So I'm just gonna leave them here for now. Which they fit kind of perfect. They might permanently stay there actually. Now for the moment of truth. Let's see if the shoes fit in there. You can make it work, alright? Like, they'll fit, This thing feels really flimsy. It feels kind of sketchy when you're putting them in though. Let's see if like, I don't know, like a Jordan fits in there. Right there. I got a pair of Jordan 11 Georgetowns. We'll see if these fit up in there. And yeah, those fit pretty nice actually. I would like it if they could go in like this. That's not gonna happen. Yeah, so it's alright. That's pretty cool. I mean, that looks pretty sick. Throw another Jordan 11 now. Oh, the UNC. Pretty sexy. If you can't tell, Jordan 11s are my favorite Jordans. The closing ceremony. Another Jordan 11 though. Closing ceremonies. Yeah, that's pretty sick. Okay. Look at these. Hey, I see you put in the Just Do It pack Air Maxes. Oh, those are pretty gas. Verified. Yeah, I'm pretty okay with that. Like, that's pretty cool. I'm kind of happy with that. I think it'd be cool if we did put the. I think I'm gonna move these Yeezy boxes right here to maximize more space for the clothes. I'm not a professional at building stuff, so when I made the shelves, the Yeezy boxes don't fit. So that's why I can't put the Yeezy boxes on the shelf. That's what we're working with there. Alright, so next we're gonna be putting up the Supreme deck. Alright, so we're just gonna eyeball it. I'm just gonna slap it up there and eyeball it.
What, are you gonna screw it in like that?
So there's one, like that. So if you're gonna hang it vertically, you could get away with just buying one. It'll just hang on the wall like this. But I wanted mine to be horizontal so you can read the Supreme. These nuts. These nuts. These nuts here. Stick it in. Take these. Just cap it. Alright, there it is, the two wall mounts. So these are gonna go into the wall. It's gonna hold up the board like so. Hopefully. Alright, so in theory it should tilt the camera up.
In theory, the Pythagorean theorem should clear the slope of the wall.
Like that. That is sick. Really straight.
The left side of the...
Alright, let's drill these holes. They didn't come with instructions, so I don't know how big of a hole I need for these drywall studs. I'm just gonna guess. I can build stuff, so. Yeah, Broke Boy project. We just do everything pretty quick, so no measuring, really. Just pop the two holes in there.
Who measures?
Pop, pop. Hey, did you see?
You know what would be sick though?
What would be sick?
Put this upside down.
No.
Yeah.
No. Stop.
And they'd be like, damn.
Stop. Did you notice these sick band-aids behind me?
Yeah.
Or that sick water bottle behind me?
Yeah.
Dang. Hey, if you're interested, go check out Broke Boy Project. Link in the description below on grail.com. Things for sale there. Or if you live in Hilo, you can DM me at Kilar03 on Instagram instead. It's my Glock. Got it up.
Stop crying. If you like the video, press the like button. If you didn't like the video, press the dislike button.
No, don't dislike the video. And subscribe.
Smash the dislike button.
Alright, so I realized the closing that I filmed with Isaac was really trash and our energy was really low, so I'm going to redo that. But I also wanted to add that I found the drop front shoe containers, the exact same ones, on Amazon. I bought mine from the Instagram ad, but I found an even better deal. It comes in a pack of 12. Comes out to like $3 and something cents for each one, and that's on Amazon, so I'm gonna link that down below. The skateboard, I got it off of Grail, so I'm gonna link my Grail account down below. These skateboard wall mounts, I picked them up off Amazon as well. You just search up skateboard wall mounts, a bunch of them will pop up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna wrap up this video, and I hope you have a great week. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.